The first one on the list is Corsair video camera. With Corsair 4K video camera, it allows you to shoot in venues that may be unfriendly to larger video cameras. You can also take it anywhere and anytime, which is perfect to record precious moments of your life. By connecting the computer with a USB cable and then choose the VF cam mode as a video webcam. You can have video calls with your family or friends, even without a cam on your computer. The 4K digital camera comes with 2 rechargeable batteries and a USB cable. Supports charging by power bank for you to extend shooting time. The next one is the Sony autofocus video camera. This new camera has an autofocus function, which is the latest. Press the camera button and it automatically focuses and clear imaging. Use a USB cable to connect to a computer and select PC mode for live broadcast or video chat. If you want to play the video on the TV, you can do so with the HDMI cable, which is very convenient. In addition to this function, it also adds LED fill light function, slow motion, anti-shake, and time-lapse shooting. The function is rich and complete. The third one on the list is DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. Consisting of 4 microphones, DJI Matrix Stereo offers sound recording in different directions, as well as audio zoom and soundtrack, which enhance audio based on the camera's direction and focus. Always share your best selfie with glamour effects. Boasting a 93-degree angle view, Pocket 2 allows for more flexible capture and perfectly composed shots for social media. AI Editor automatically combines your clips with transitions and music to create share-worthy content. The fourth one is Hisense Tech Video Camera. The 4K camcorder can be used as a webcam that connects the camcorder to your computer with a USB cable and selects PC camera mode. When you want a video chat with your friends and family, you may need this function. The 4K camcorder supports HDMI function. You can connect it directly to a TV with HDMI cable and play videos you took in high definition. The vlogging camera has 2 built-in upgraded 1500 mAh rechargeable batteries. Furthermore, this camcorder supports recording videos while charging, so there's no need to worry about the batteries running out during the recording of your happy moments. The last one is Sony ZV-1 Digital Camera. Autofocus that sticks firmly to your face and eyes without wandering to other subjects. Quickly switch focus from face to background. Just touch on the screen and let the camera do focusing. Slow motion video, capturing the most fleeting of moments at up to 40 times slower than real time. Picture effects and creative styles allow for near limitless visual possibilities. Interval shooting mode automatically captures sequences of an image from 1 to 60 seconds apart. Hope you enjoyed this video and found this helpful. The link for the products is given in the description box.